Hi, attracting everything you want in life. Today I'm going to share with you the 3 secrets of attracting everything you want in life. Thank you for watching this. My name is Kent Lau Yong. The 3 secrets is VisionBoard, gratitude journal, set it out loud every day, every morning, every afternoon, every night. You can triple it. It will ingrain in your brain. Thank God. So, for example, this is the vision board, right? So I say out loud, I can Lao Yong speaking, motivating over 10,000 youth by September 2021. I can Lao Yong speaking, motivating over 10,000 youth by September 2021. I can Lao Yong speaking, motivating over 10,000 youth by September 2021. Now, as you say this, right, some negative thought might come into your mind, but don't let it say out. Just don't let it say it out, right? Just keep it in the mind, don't say it out, and you will not have power. Your words become powerful when you set it out, when you record it, and you repeat it again and again. And this is how people get defeated, by setting it. So, same thing here. If you want something to happen, if you really want that things to happen in your vision board, set it out. Set it out. If you want your team to move towards that, to support your vision, your missions, right? Keep them setting out. Ask them to set it out. If they're doing willing, they are not your team member. Then kick them out. I say it again, right? You want to attract your team member. You want them to speak the same language and make sure they're willing to. Right. Now, more important is that in these things of setting out, you have to say out loud. Say only the things that you want. Only the things that you say want, right? So never say after that say but. No, don't say that. Right, that will negate whatever your effort is. Okay, and that's 3 secrets. If you believe it, you are happy. If you believe it, you are happy. I'm saying if you believe it, I'm not saying that others believe it. Don't worry, you will attract those people who believe you, and at the same time you might attract some, right? Because there are some residuals of negative thought impact, right? You still attract some negative people, right? But when you meet them, just keep your mouth shut. But if you find the right team, then share with them your vision board. Thank you, God. Thank you to you all. May God bless you. And God always bless you as you write your gratitude journal. You realize how far you have been. Thank you very much. From the founder of Speed Excel, thank you. God bless you.